And here we have our finished baked bads. They smell really good, and they don't look all that bad either. Now, how do they taste?
Here, I'll get a plate. Banana! It's so even and adorable. You're not even all that hot. Beware these two. Yeah, go ahead, touch it, see what happens.
Okay. No. Bad idea.
It's not even that hot, really.
Huh, it's not.
You'd think 325 would be hotter. Alright. Shall we try?
Sure.
Okay. The muffins themselves are a little bit hot. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh my god.
Well, they're falling apart. And they are falling apart in their wrappers.
Still works. They're hot. Are you really gonna take a bite? They smell
Not
really
bad.
good. They smell really good.
Actually, not bad. A weird aftertaste, but not bad.
Gummy worm.
See where the gummy worm melted.
Orangey goodness. I think I can see mine a little bit.
Oh, it's hot. Do not lick,
Oh, hot gummy worm. Hot gummy worm.
just say, do not lick the hot gummy worm, because it is hot.
And sticky. Like your mother.
You leave my mother out of this.
Sean Connor. They actually, the gummy worm melted into it, makes it taste even better too.
Still hot. It's actually not bad.
These are actually not that bad. I don't know what people were talking about. I don't know.
I say we rethink our decision to share these with Tyler.
But we don't have enough gummy worms for the next batch. We've got like 3. Melted!
Wait, did we mark which ones had the jawbreakers in them?
I'm gonna assume they're these 2.
Oh, crap. Oh, well.
Watch them have melted too.
I was thinking maybe, but I don't know.
It kind of tastes like a soda. You have to use a spoon to get the gummy worms off.
Kind of tastes like soda. I wonder why.
Shut up! You know what I mean? Like a citrusy soda. Maybe next time we should make them with Mountain Dew.
That might work. That actually might work.
What time is it? 3:30. Okay, we got time. These are actually pretty good. I'm pleased with how this experiment turned out.
So how would you rate the baked bads?
On a scale of 1 to 10, probably a 6 or 7.
I'll give it 11.
They're not the best thing I've ever tasted in the world, but they were not as bad as people were making them out to be.
Wash it down with the gummy worm?
Yes, please. Oh.
Pepper?
I'm gonna show them the Gloop Baked Bad Mix. Doesn't look right, does it? You can't even taste the chips.
That
And they're
disgusting looking slop makes these.
Oh.
There you have it. Baked bads with
Now, I'm wondering
Chef
how
Mary and Chef Matthew.
Now I wonder how they're gonna taste without the gummy worms.
I don't know.
Want to make another batch and find out?
Yeah, maybe.